Investigators have descended onto the scene of a deadly train crash in New York. 6 people were killed when a commuter train struck a vehicle stalled on the tracks in what proved to be the deadliest accident in the history of the Metro North Railroad. National Transportation Safety Board investigators are collecting recording devices from the site contained in highway and rail signals, crossing arms at the intersection and in the train itself. 5 train passengers were killed along with the woman stuck inside the stalled Jeep. 15 people were injured.